Meaning of emerge.
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 Emerge. The word emerge means to appear or come into view, usually from a concealed or hidden state. It can also mean to become manifest, to come to the surface, or to become known or noticed. The result of something emerging is a new presence or visibility, something previously hidden coming to light. It can also imply growth or change, as though something has achieved a new form or position. Ultimately, emergence suggests a revealing of something that was previously unknown or unseen, often with a sense of surprise or new understanding.